Magla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are pre for the hero. Money me are pre to your sharer.
Yo, this is your boy JoeBlack. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with JoeBlack, and special guest Chef Kali. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for clicking this video in the first place. While you're here, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the post notification so you can know whenever I post a new video. To all my subscribers, thanks for coming back. I really appreciate the love and the support so far. Alright, in today's video, I won't be cooking today. Today is my birthday, yeah, so happy birthday to me. So I'm taking a break from the kitchen. So with that being said, I decided to do a quick video, just to chat with you guys a bit. As you see, I'm in my work uniform. I'm heading out to work in a bit. Like I should be out of the house in the next 15 minutes. Yeah. So I decided to just jog my unit, get ready for work, and just come and chat with you guys a bit. Yeah. Big up my hairstylist for this nice hairstyle by Tash. You can find her on Instagram and YouTube as well. Hairstyle by Tash. I'm gonna put her link in my description, so if you want a nice hairstyle, you can just link her up. Yeah, she's really good. Alright? Yeah, so as I said, today is my birthday and I'm just giving thanks for life, giving thanks to see another year. You know that a lot of people don't make it this far in life. Yeah, I'm 34, I'm getting old. Yeah, a lot of people, we lose a lot of people really young. Yeah, I lost my cousin a couple of years ago. Yeah, just 20 something. Yeah, big up yourself, Magla. I look down from heaven. Yeah, but yeah, but this video is just really to come here and tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys and how the journey so far is going. Like it's good. It's good so far. Like I'm overwhelmed by the support. Like, you know, I never expected it. Like I was scared to even start because I was thinking that nobody's gonna support me. I was thinking who the hell is gonna watch my videos and stuff like that. So and the support so far is good. So I just want to say thank you guys for sparing your time to watch the videos. Thanks for the feedbacks, and I appreciate all feedbacks. Like whether I might seem as if I don't agree or not, I do agree. Not agree rather, but I might, even if I might seem I don't take it on the chin properly, but I do take every feedback into consideration, right? And if you do watch the videos, you'll see that I do take your advice, right? So if you see something that you think that I should have done differently, and you say it to me, yeah, I will explain to you why I do it the way I do it, but then I will look into your way and see if it's a better way of doing it. So I do appreciate all feedbacks, right? As I said, like doing this, I was a bit nervous. I was a bit nervous in starting it. I've been thinking about doing this for a while now, and I've been getting encouragement to do it. I was a bit shy. I was a bit nervous, thinking that, oh, yeah, nobody's gonna watch your channel, bro. But yeah, as I said, so far, the support is good. and I couldn't ask for any more. Like, a steady pace is growing. Like, I have people trying stuff the way I do it, and like I really appreciate that. Like, cooking is an art, and like there's so many ways in which you can do one particular dish that like it's always good when somebody try it the way you do it. So for that I'm grateful, and as I said, for all the people that's watching and commenting and sharing. I see you guys. Like, I see you guys on social media, I see you guys on Facebook, I see you guys on Instagram, I see you guys sharing my stuff, and like it makes me feel good, and it makes me want to continue doing more videos. And I just want to say, like, I love you guys. Like, I love you guys. Yeah, as I said, I didn't plan to stay here and talk long, but it seems like as if I'm gonna talk forever. Now I have like 5 more minutes to get out of the house. Yeah, no. As I said, maybe one day I'll do a video showing you guys where I work. But I work with the railway. Like, yeah, really pretty cool job. Like, you have its ups and downs, but that's with every job. Yeah. But look, so that's my name tag. Look, yeah. So that's my name tag. And if you notice, I'm representing, yeah. Everywhere we go, we still have to represent Jamaica. Yeah, so as I said, guys, I'm not staying with you forever, but I just decided to do this video, as I said, just to tell you guys that, yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I hope I can continue creating cool videos that you guys like, and I hope that I'll continue to get you guys support, and just continue sharing, continue liking, continue commenting, continue everything, continue motivating me. Alright, continue motivating me. I'm loving it. I'm loving the support. Alright, but I have a couple of videos edited already and just waiting to post them. But as I said, today I decided not to post a video. I might post a video midweek. I might. But if I'm gonna post it, I'll inform you guys. But you guys, notification should be on, so you guys should know when I post anyway. So I might just post a video midweek. So let's see how that goes. But once again, thank you guys for watching, and thanks for the continued support. And I hope you guys will have a very, very good Sunday. Whatever you're doing, enjoy and just be safe. Just remember, say JoeBlack, love you. Wow, good.